Have you ever wondered if you can buy a motorcycle in the US and bring it to Canada? Well, the answer is yes. But there's more to it than just a simple ride across the border. Today, we're diving deep into the process of importing a motorcycle from the United States to Canada, including fees, paperwork, and everything you need to know to make your move smooth. First things first, yes, it's possible to import a motorcycle from the US to Canada, but you need to be prepared for a multi-step process. Here's what you'll need to know to ensure a smooth transition for your bike. The first thing you need to do is check if the motorcycle you're purchasing meets Canada's importation requirements. There's an updated list of admissible motorcycles, which you can check through Transport Canada. Once you've confirmed your motorcycle is eligible, you'll need some important paperwork to move forward. Make sure you have the US title with both your name and the seller's name. A signed bill of sale and the VIN number of the motorcycle are also essential. And if there have been any recalls on the bike, you'll need proof of remedy. All recalls must be fixed before your bike can enter Canada. Once you have these documents in order, you can start the official import process. Now, let's talk about fees. Yes, you will have to pay some duties when importing your motorcycle. The most common fees are a 5% goods and services tax, GST, based on your bike's value. And depending on where you live in Canada, you might also pay a provincial sales tax, PST, of up to 8% when registering your bike. Typically, the import duty on motorcycles is 6.5% of their value. But here's some good news. If you're moving to Canada as a US citizen or a former Canadian resident, you may be able to bring your bike in for free, provided it's been in your possession for at least 6 months. Need help getting your bike across the border? At A1 Auto Transport, we specialize in shipping motorcycles from the US to Canada. Our experienced team can handle everything from paperwork to transport, ensuring your bike arrives safely.